What if your school's front office could stop answering the same 50 questions every morning? It's 7:45, the phones are ringing, parents are waiting, and your front desk is already buried. Parents are already calling about attendance, someone needs summer hours, a coach is getting questions about practice, and the person at the front desk is trying to help the parent standing in front of them. Those calls matter, but not every call needs to interrupt your staff. That's where Ambit's AI Receptionist for schools can help. It answers school calls, listens naturally, and helps callers get what they need, whether that's basic school information, sports or extracurricular schedules, a department transfer, or a message captured for follow up. A parent can ask, "What time is open house? When are basketball tryouts? Is the office open this Friday? Who do I talk to about enrollment?" Or, "Can you transfer me to attendance?" The AI responds with the information your school provides, routes the caller to the right department, or collects details and sends them to your team. And here's the important part: this is not about replacing your people, it's about supporting them. Your office staff still handles the personal, sensitive, and important conversations. The AI helps reduce the repetitive calls that keeps them from doing their best work. For IT directors, it's designed to work with your existing phone system. For principals, it means fewer missed calls and less front office overload. For office staff, it means more breathing room during the busiest parts of the day. Every summer, schools ask us to update phone menus for summer hours, changing schedules, and reduced office staffing. We know summer staff are already stretched. That's why we believe this is the right season to pilot a tool that can help lighten the load. Ambit is piloting this with select schools this summer to learn what works best in real school environments. If your school is drowning in repeat calls, this may be a simple way to give your team real relief. Ambit's AI Receptionist, helping your staff answer more calls, support more families, and get back to what matters most.